Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into best Kraken margin trade for 2026. So let's quickly dive into it. If you're new to Kraken margin trading, start with HIT USD, which is Ethereum USD, or Solana USDT. Both are liquid, weekly traded, and beginner friendly. Use low to moderate leverage between 2 to 4 times to manage risk, and always set up loss to protect your account. Other options include Dodge USDT for high risk taker, higher reward trade also, and a USDT pair like ADA USDC or DOT USDC for moderate leverage. Focus on understanding collateral, margin level, and position limit before trading. If this helped, hit the like, subscribe for more quick crypto strategy, and comment which margin pair you were considering. And that's it.